Have a swallow making machine. You can use it for what? Fufu?
Yeah, fufu too, yeah. Nice.
My ancestors will be very disappointed.
My new food truck, Deijha Shortcut 2.0 at Truck Central in Lagos, Nigeria. I wasn't even recording.
Hey guys, it's been a minute, so there is a lot I have to catch you guys up on. In this video, we finally got our first point of sale, which is money points. So when you guys are purchasing from Deijha Shortcut, we do accept cards, money point, transfers, all that good stuff. Hopefully we'll get some more in the near future. We are also celebrating the fact that my cameras were put up. We got a gas tank, 50-liter gas tank, and now we have real fire. And so we are also celebrating our first dish that we're actually cooking. So all before we were doing smoothies, but now we did festival on this truck. So stay tuned to see the girls' reaction for trying festival for the first time. And then towards the end of this video, we pay a visit to Sinomart, which is like a China mall, but it's extremely huge. Well, I haven't been to the new China mall in Ghana, but so far this one in Nigeria has literally every single thing.
I thought it was like a singular thing. That's why I could charge my phone with this. Ooh, it's on. How exciting. When are you gonna start cooking? Why, are you hungry? Yeah. But like, I mean selling.
So let me do this.
You need what?
Your food.
So we're gonna do a moment of truth. The first thing that we're making on the truck right now is festival, and then we're gonna eat it with some chicken, some grilled chicken that we got from Charred Grill. I'm not even recording on here. So we're gonna do a moment of truth. I want to propose one. Can somebody turn, Simi, can you turn on the light for in here? Is it the second one? The first one? Yeah. Okay, that's better. So first thing we're making on the truck is, apart from the smoothie, is festival. And we're gonna have it with charred grilled chicken. Wait, nobody tasted yet besides. Did she eat it? We gotta do a moment of truth. So I'm gonna share out our food so we can have it with the festival. How many of us is me, Simi, Esther, Catherine? Me, Simi, Esther, Catherine, and Mr. Ola. Mr. Ola. Wait, no, we gotta do it for the camera. Oh. I want this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Who got 4? Okay. Hating on me. Hold on real quick. Okay, moment of truth of the festival. 3, 2. I can't hear you. Oh. Tastes like festival. It's nice and crispy and crunchy.
First time.
Do you like it?
Yes.
I can't see you, Captain. Oh, I can see you here, but not here. What are y'all thoughts on the festival? What did it remind you of?
Buns.
Bun?
Donuts.
Buns. And donut. Should we serve this on our menu?
Yeah.
With jerk chicken?
Some sauce.
Some dip.
your dessert with too.
This is good. Okay.
I like it. I give it 2 out of 10.
Ah.
I'm just joking. I give it a 7. If it was with a dip, it would be better.
So usually, what do people eat with? Jerk chicken, and you dip it in a sauce, or fish.
Yeah, it's like 5.
I should eat 5. Okay.
Even 10.
I'm not eating 5. I think I'd eat 4.
Today is the only day she's eating
4 pieces of food. What? Okay, fine. Then I'd eat 5 since you're attacking me.
Finish it.
It's
Make
good.
sure you finish it.
Leave some for Mr. Olaf.
So you guys are taking 2 and I should take 4.
Because you don't like eating.
Alright, so after.
Dip it in a chicken sauce. Or eat it with the chicken. It's good. All of that?
Is there any soup here?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye guys.
Thank you for
K-drama.
eating.
Mm?
Let me go watch my K-drama.
Mm.
Make sure you step Goodbye. Thank you.
Check out my Deijha.
Period.
Make sure you pass by and try. Very hot.
Very flavorful. Good food.
You love it.
For 50,000.
All because of festival. You really like it, Catherine? But why is this thing on the trash bin? What is happening here?
That's really so
Is that your plate? Your table? Luckily, it's new. I have a swallow making machine. You can use it for what? Fufu?
Yeah, fufu too, yeah. Yes.
My ancestors will be very disappointed. We are in the China Mall of Lagos. Basically, this is what it's giving. Sinomart. Ooh. All right, I don't even know where to begin. It's like got bikes. Ooh, they got workout stuff. This is where I need to be. We need to be in here lifting weights. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the end. So they have like a sports section, a games. Ooh, they got kettlebells. All right, let me see. See, this is my problem. I get places and I get too excited. Should we get a jump rope? Should we get a jump rope? I don't like that one. That one looked childish. I'll do these ones. And then they got kettlebells. Let's see, 6 kg. Ugh. Pink is cute, but I'm not getting none of these. And then they have boxing gloves, hula hoops. This is cool. They got yoga mats, y'all. If y'all need a yoga mat, y'all need your little workout stuff. What's this? Ooh.
They're pulling.
I'm talking about ooh. Pulling. Whatever that is. Whatever this is. Whatever that is. They got cute Easter colors. Did the light go out? And they got gloves. Cute. And they got bikes. All right. Let's get serious now. This place is huge. I don't think I want to go in every lane. I don't think I want to go in every lane because it's a lot going on. Like, we got flowers, artificial flowers. We got Esther and Catherine. They got roller skates. I mean, that's not a skateboard. You see these Chinese people, they come to Africa and they be making their money, okay? Where is our Jamaican supermarkets? Hello, how are you? These look cool. These look like they'd be cute for an apartment. Maybe I'll have an apartment. Maybe I'll own an apartment in Lagos soon, one day. Well, I'm gonna need one in Ghana first. Okay, let's go to the grocery aisle. Look at the non-stick variety. These are small though. Outside wearing. Now she want gym clothes. Now she want to be outside in gym clothes. Come on, let's get the outfit. All I'm saying is, I said, y'all be consistent in the gym and I will buy you gym clothes. So come pick out your size. You want one too?
I'm not here. I don't get my size. Extra large. So I'm not getting.
This is for Chinese people.
Yes.
Faces. Dettol.
Your body eats you when you bath.
Itch? No. Why? Yeah, this is my
Guys,
favorite
they
soap
literally
right
have
here. This one
everything
right here,
in this
these
store.
two.
It's like a one-stop shop, and I'm not even kidding. The prices are not that
So we're
bad
gonna get the bigger one.
to me, at least.
Dove
Yeah.
is good too. Dr. Teal's for $10. How much is that? I don't even think that's a full $10 right there. These prices is crazy. So I asked Esther and Catherine if they eat Indomie. And they said no, they don't eat those things anymore because they're dieting. They're watching their figure. So we got oats. So we're gonna eat oats. We're gonna eat sardine. We're gonna drink some tea. We're gonna eat tuna and eggs and vegetables. At least until we get to where we wanna be. And then we can like have cheat days, like once a week. Now, as I say this, as we're in the snack aisle.
Okay, guys, so that sums up this video. I hope you all enjoy. In the next video, we are celebrating Catherine's 30th birthday here in Nigeria. And then we're going to be taking you all along with us with consulting and training and interviewing staff for Deijha Vu's Cut Lagos edition. Stay tuned for that because, child, that's all I got to say. Bye.